How to accept friend request in Reddit. If you have been using the Reddit application and wondering on how to accept the friend request that you get on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Reddit application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on the home screen. Now to accept the friend request, tap on to chat button at the bottom, just right here, tap on it. Then here you can find messages, threads and requests. Now simply tap on to request, just right here. Now from here you will simply get the friend request that you have got. And for now you can see I haven't got any requests, so it is showing 0 right now. So if you got one, you will simply see here and you can simply accept them, and that's it. This is how you can accept friend request in Reddit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.